Hey guys, Alex here with TFL Bike, and I'm here at the Long Beach IMS show, and we're here at the BMW booth taking a look at this, the BMW CE04 electric scooter, and I'm here with Sean, who's been working on this project. He's going to take us through a little tour of it and tell us pretty much everything we need to know about it. So can you just kind of explain right off the bat what this is?
This is the CE04, like you said, 2022. It's a mid-size scooter. If it had an internal combustion engine, the 04 really stands for like a 400cc bike, so it's comparable to that. Right out of the box, you'll get things like full LED lighting, ride modes, traction control, a level 1 charging cable, reverse, a 10.25-inch TFT screen with navigation, connectivity to your phone, whether it's media, making phone calls, whatever. There's a place to store your phone. Keep it cool, keep it charged.
Yeah, can we look at that? Can we pop that open?
Absolutely.
So a little phone spot there.
Phone spot, you have a charging port here on the left, and there's a fan internal, so it keeps your phone cool while it's charging.
Very cool.
On the right side, we've got the charging port, standard US 1772 port. You can do level 1 or level 2 charging.
And then is that like heated gear, or
yes,
what's that for?
it's a 12-volt outlet.
Very nice. So what kind of battery is in this and motor?
60.6 amp hours, 8.9 kilowatt hours. The motor is liquid cooled, battery is air cooled. If you'll notice on the side here, this is great. This is besides the 10.25-inch TFT screen being a first for a scooter, so is the side storage compartment. You can actually access it while you're sitting on the scooter. It's big enough for a full-face helmet, and I don't know if you can tell, but it's also lit.
Yeah, that's a really massive container. I haven't seen anything that big on a scooter, so no problems fitting a helmet in there, and really cool that you can just tuck the charger in there too.
Yep. It's awesome.
Cool. And then this screen, is that pretty much like the same tech that comes off of like the R18 and
same tech?
Yeah.
Same exact tech. You've got either a single screen full for navigation, or you've got the split screen. But of course, unique to the CE04, you have things like state of charge of the battery. And it can also show you when you're riding whether you're using your power for propulsion or whether you're regenerating power to help you ride as efficiently as possible.
Cool, and you said there's a couple different models available of the scooter, right?
There's of course the base model. There's also a higher trim level, what we call the premium package. With that, you're going to get adaptive headlight, so you've got cornering lights, you've got cornering ABS with ABS Pro, you've got Ride Modes Pro that now not only gives you the standard 3 ride modes, but also gives you an additional 4th mode, Dynamic. You also get with the premium package a heated seat, the level 2 charging cable, and tire pressure monitors.
Cool. And then as far as like charge times and range, what are we looking at there?
Range is on average 80 miles. Charge times, if you can charge this thing at a level 2 from 20% to 80% in 45 minutes. So basically while you're getting lunch or something like that. You can go to 0 to 100% at level 2 in an hour and 40 minutes. Or you can go home and plug it into your wall socket and get 0 to 100% in under 4.5 hours.
Very
so
cool.
It's very cool, very quick, everything you need.
And then as far as availability, when are these going to start making it to dealers?
They should hit dealerships in February, is what we're expecting.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Do you have pricing info?
Base price is $11,795. If the customer opts for the premium package, that's an additional $1,665.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time. Appreciate you showing us this CE04, or are you saying 04?
04.
CE04. Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.